Happy New Year 2023. Today is a special day as it is my father's birthday, and I am so grateful that I get to spend time with him setting the table for the New Year celebration. On the table, we have a variety of traditional Portuguese dishes, all of which are special on their own right. My father's favorite is the Pão de Ló, which is a classic, and I made a recipe in the channel last year, and it's a light and fluffy cake and a must at our table. We always start with soup. This time is canja, chicken soup, but delicious this time. We have octopus and we have lampreia de ovos, which is this flamboyant egg, and it's so delicious. I'm beyond thankful for all the blessings of our family and friends, not to mention our followers here on social media. To all of you, I wish you success and growth, health and wealth, love and blessings for the years to come. Let's gather around the table and give thanks for all we have. Thank you for joining me and my dad in celebrating this special day. Here's to many more happy memories. Parabéns.
Obrigado.
Feliz ano novo.
Feliz ano novo. Obrigado.